Hey, today we are in Golf MK7 with MIB2 navigation system, and I'm going to show you how to remove the option for AM band over here. If for some reason you don't want it over here, maybe you are just tired of pressing the radio 2 times and the band is automatically changing to AM whenever you press the radio button. So this button toggles you through all your options, and if you don't want that, you can disable the FM option. So what we are going to do is take OBD11, which is already connected to the car, go to module 5F, let's go to long coding, and in long coding we are looking for byte 14. Let's switch the view to the bit byte view. Byte 14, and bit 1 is AM band height switch. Okay, press and hold. Coding was accepted, so let's check if we need to reboot the radio or not. No, it's just working. This button is disabled, this works, and when I press radio it does not change back to AM. Okay, so that's it. That was just a simple tutorial. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up. Check my other videos about Volkswagen and other cars, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.